here with a new hair review, and this is going to be the 14-inch ALIPEARL hair. So yes, I'm taking it back to my first, well not my first, but my second video, and I think I got a lot of views on that hair, so I decided to purchase another wig from ALIPEARL. I love their hair. Their hair is amazing. I already knew I would love this hair anyway, so I was like, why not just purchase it? I was going for like a grown and sexy look, which is why I got the bob. It is a 14x6 lace wig. The hair is beautiful. Like, I love the way this hair straightens, and it has so much body, but it's also light. So that's the great thing about this hair. I did put some crimps in the hair. Oh, don't mind this. This is hair dye. I didn't dye this hair. But I did put some crimps in the hair, which was beautiful. If I have pictures, I'll throw it in here as well. But this hair holds a curl very well. You can put wand curls, and it looks really great with the bob. So it gives it more body when you add the curls. I decided to straighten it for this video. As you can see, this is the lace. And I added some baby hair on the front. Give you a close look. And you know what's crazy? This hair doesn't shed. You know what? ALIPEARL hair doesn't give me problems with shedding. The curly hair that I had from ALIPEARL didn't shed. To this day, it still doesn't shed. If you're going for something that's not, you know, too long and you want something simple, then this is definitely the hair to go for. This is definitely the hair to go for. This side. Get this hair, okay? I had this hair for about a month, so I wanted to give you guys a review after wearing it for at least a month, just to give you guys a thorough review. And you know, I didn't want to just jump straight into reviewing the hair after opening it and putting it on for a week. And it is holding up so well, y'all. Just look at that. Like, it's holding up so well. Did pluck the lace. It was a little thick in the front at first. It wasn't too thick, but it wasn't thin enough for me to my liking. So I decided to just, you know, pluck it a little bit in the front. I didn't dye the knots. It didn't need to be dyed, in my opinion. I did the wig, I did the stocking cap method with this wig. So I just went ahead and melt the stocking down to my hair, and then I went ahead and glued the wig onto my cap. So if you guys are not familiar with how to do that, I can definitely show you. So just leave a comment below if you would love to see a video of that from me. Also, leave a comment below of some other hair vendors you want me to try out if you're curious of what kind of hair you want to, you know, see a review on. Just comment below and I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, this is my final review on this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you love this video. If you look forward to seeing some more videos from me, definitely go ahead and do that. And once again, my name is Bianca Naka, and I'm tuning out.